Hey guys, welcome back to Antonio the Realtor. It is about 100 degrees outside right now, but we are in Berwyn, about to show you this property, 1330 Ridgeland Avenue. It's 310,000, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's sitting on a second lot. There's 2 lots. So we're gonna go check out the lot right now, and we're gonna show you the yard before we go inside. I am gonna introduce you to a special guest. I have a lender today. Here we go. You ready, Jackie?
Hey everybody.
Jackie Hernandez, right?
Yes, my name is Jackie Hernandez and I'm with SunWest Mortgage, and we were going to show you this property today.
Yeah, Jackie does a lot of my deals. So the nice thing is that we're probably going to talk a little bit about mortgage payments today and how much it actually costs to get into this house. But before we do, I just want to show you guys what the yard looks like. That's what the yard looks like. That's what my new shoes look like from Mexico City on my little vacation. I went and I got them shoes. I love them. They're orange. But check this place out. Nice side lot. You also still have a backyard back there. We are going to go take a look at the garage, but I did want you to see this. It's completely gated. What do people usually assimilate gates to when they're buying houses?
I mean, they want to look at the backyard and they want to see how big it is because most of the time they have pets. So
Absolutely.
They need that, right? And then what's coming up is springtime, summertime, and all these parties, so they can have them outdoors. So
Absolutely. Would you put a pool out there?
I definitely put a pool out there.
Right, a pool or
yeah.
jacuzzi?
You know what? It depends on the age group.
Depends on the age group, right? A pool koozie.
A pool koozie.
A pool koozie. But we're gonna go to the side of the house right now, and we're gonna take a look to see how the yard looks. You see they got that beware of dog sign, so they had a dog. Here we go. Going into the yard. Oh, that's nice. Okay. All right, right when you walk in, I will point out, they got the sewer back here. So nice, easy access for you to drain out anything that you need to, okay? There is the back of the house.
Tony, take a look at this area.
What is it?
So someone started a garden, right? So if you're wanting to have your own garden, you're gonna have this little area over here for your own garden.
Guys, put in the comments, what would you plant if this was your garden? What do you think they had in here?
I mean, I would definitely get rid of all of this and start my own tomatoes, potatoes, chiles, cucumbers.
There you go. So you're about
endless.
to, so you're ready to make a salsa.
Yes, I'm ready to make a salsa.
Oh, it's the girl. Okay, garage isn't open. Okay, but let's take a look. There is there's the back of the house. Yeah. Siding, of course, siding of the whole house. That door needs to be replaced. That's not a big deal. Is that an FHA worry, Jackie? What do you think?
No.
Door's fine?
No, door's fine.
Perfect. Mm-hmm. What do people usually look for with FHA?
So we look at health and safety. That's the most important. So because that is functional and there's no breakage or anything like that, I mean, obviously it's an older door. Someone is going to replace it, but we always look at health and safety.
Absolutely. Let's take a look over here. There's your yard, okay? I will say, I'm usually not super happy whenever I see trees in yards, but the fact that it is some distance away from the house, I'm okay. The big major condition for me or worry for me is where are the roots going? And usually you'll see evidence of cracks over here if the roots are coming too far out, or you see them over here on the concrete. But in this case, I mean, I'm not a home inspector, but it does look like we're gonna be okay. And check this bad boy out. There's AC in the house, everybody. And we should be headed in with the AC.
Yes.
Yes, it's 100 degrees again. Yes. So let's go inside. Poor Jackie's melting, everybody. We'll see you inside. Okay, we're inside, and you know what? The AC was not on. It wasn't spinning outside. We walked in here. It's almost as hot in here as it is outside. But it is what it is, okay? First of all, let's take a look at this beautiful fixture we got right there. That's different. I haven't seen that. Nice spherical fixture. That's cool. You see that there are can lights up on top. The other thing that I want you to do is to look down at the floor. This floor has a shine on it. And as you can see, as I walk around and the camera moves, you can see a reflection of the lights up above. And Jackie, me and you can do a dance. You go that side, and I'll come over here. People can see how big the living room is, okay? So TV on the wall, most likely over there on that wall, because that's where they have the outlets. And then over here, your couches. So when people come in, they're not bumping into the couches. They can go straight to the kitchen. Okay, 2 bedrooms, remember. Here's the first bedroom. First bedroom does have a closet. Closet's already pre-built. The only thing that it's missing is closet doors, but it's up to you. Because of the size of the room, you want to try to get clever with this. Maybe have the bed go into there if it's a twin size. That's going to be up to you, right? Now coming this way, right away we can see the bathroom. Now the bathroom is in really good condition, okay? The only things that need to happen with the bathroom is, first of all, yes, the water's on and we can feel a little bit of that cold water. That's fantastic, okay? There's paint that needs to be done. I think there was a shelf here before. They took out the shelf. They just didn't repaint. And it shows. Okay, does that mean the bathroom's terrible? No. That just means that there's a little bit of work that needs to be done. There is a tub in here, and your shower head up there is decent. But again, there's still a little bit of paint that needs to be going on in here. There is a shelving unit over here, which is cool, like a pantry. Again, it needs doors. And then before we go into the kitchen, we'll come over here really quick into the second bedroom. The floors continue to be shiny in this bedroom, which is nice. The doors are blue. It is painted nicely. You know, blue, let me know in the comments how you feel about the blue paint. But take a look. It's nice. Again, I'm in the closet right now. And Jackie, let's trade places. I'm going to have you stand in the closet. Okay. Check this out. This is the size that we're looking at. And then for the kitchen, I'm going to have Jackie show off the kitchen. So she doesn't have to play camera girl all day. Here we go, Jackie. You ready?
Yeah, so come this way and you're going to see a full functional kitchen. So there's plenty of space in here, plenty of counter space, plenty of storage. You have what looks like a new refrigerator that was input. All the appliances look like they're brand new. So you're good to go there.
That's cool.
Yeah, you don't have to repurchase. And the floor, really nice floor. And then on this side, it looks like this is kind of like a little mini butler's pantry.
That is cool.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, so you can use it as a buffet. You can use it at you know, displaying any of your
like a coffee bar, no?
The coffee bar can be used as well. So let's take a look at the storage. Storage is not an issue in this property, let alone the kitchen.
Not right.
And then there is another little closet here, so I would imagine you could put a little pantry in here.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, a pantry, definitely a pantry. Do you like? Let me ask. Are you a big cook?
Yes.
Is this how? If you're a big cook, like is this?
You don't even have to answer you don't have to ask anymore. Yes, this is definitely the counter space that you would need if you're cooking home.
Okay.
You can actually put a little island in here. There's plenty of space for your island if you wanted to do that.
Cool. So you like it?
Yeah, I do like it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I do like it.
I like that you like it. And again, there's our little sphere we got going on there again.
Yeah, second one.
The second sphere. Let's go
into it. And then there's like a porch area here.
And guys, you're seeing us go through the property live. We haven't been in here. This is literally us walking in it for the first time. So we're kind of, you know, seeing it for the first time as you guys are seeing it. One thing that I will point out, this glass right here is broken. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. FHA, what's going to happen?
They're going to request for it to be replaced.
Okay, and that's a lending function,
That's
right?
a lending function, yeah. So, you know, get it replaced before you do your appraisal.
Now, I will go upstairs after we go to the basement because I know it's going to be 10 times hot. And I'll run in there I'll do it for the gram, right? But we know we're going to go to the basement right now. And it's going to watch your step. And it's going to be cooler, we hope, right?
Yes,
let's
you
talk
can feel
about
it already.
Let's talk about these stairs really quick,
Yeah.
okay? They need to be sanded and painted.
Yes, definitely.
Because this isn't living space, do you think FHA is going to have a problem?
Yes. Yes, because this is part of the property, even though it's not inside of the property. You cannot have any painting that's scraped, missing. It's all to do with the lead paint.
All right, let's go inside. And yes, it is cooler by 20 degrees down here. It's like, let's spend as much time as we can in the basement, right? So here we go. I'm gonna walk to the other side over here, see if we can find the light switch.
Let's see.
Should be on that side, or?
Let's see.
Let's see, I'm gonna walk this way. Do you see it at all?
There
you go.
There.
Okay, so they did some work down here in the basement. I'm pretty sure they put in those can lights and they made the ceiling look nice and they covered the duct work. That's what that looks like to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
And remember, we're seeing it for the first time as you are.
Yeah, over here, you know, we're in Berwyn. Now take a look at this, guys, over here. Okay. The walls sweat in Cicero, Berwyn, Stickney, Riverside. I mean, there's a drain over there if you guys can see it. But this is typical of Berwyn and Cicero, okay? So the question becomes during the home inspection or even before you write an offer to the owner, does the place get water and how bad does it get it? When was the last time that they got it? Does this mean that you don't buy it? No, that doesn't mean that. That's not what it means. It just means that you're gonna have to be the one to do, you know, a defense. So do you get drain tile? Do you guys put in the sump pump? Do you reinforce the walls so that, you know, they don't get, you know, they don't have water come through as easy? What do you do? Okay. Laundry area over here is a typical for a property like this in Berwyn. Okay. You have your shut-off lines right here. Okay, phone rang. Sorry about that. It kicked us off, but here we are. Okay. We have our hot and cold water lines here, copper lines, washer and dryer. There is a sink. Let's take a look. Does the sink work? Yep, sink works. The water is wet still, everybody. And for that, if you don't know, whenever I'm in a house, I always check the water to see if it's wet. And I tell people if the water's wet.
If it's wet, it's working.
If it's wet, it's working. Yeah. All right. So, okay, there's our heating and cooling system. And then over here, they decided to put in a, you know, you got your, it looks like an egress window, right? And it's a little room right here. There is the makings of a bathroom over there. Okay, looks like they came in here and they started making the bathroom. It's not finished. Okay, the bathroom's not finished. And guys, I know everyone on the comments are gonna be like, oh, I would never. This is a house that you buy if you have vision and if you're ready to do a little bit of work so that you're not having to pay an extra $75,000, $50,000 for it.
And remember, this could be for someone else that's like a young couple that's staying with you. They can have their own privacy in their own area. Even though the laundry's here, if there's a bathroom there, they can have their own space.
They can have their own space. That's a good point. All right, let's go upstairs. If you could turn off this light, that'd be great. Turn off that light. I'm gonna go upstairs for the gram. I'm gonna show everybody how good the attic is for the sake of the channel. I will be losing 3 pounds going into the sauna. Let's see, I'll let you know the moment it gets hot. And it's hot. Oh yeah. You can wait for me down there, Jax, if you want. Yeah, okay. Wait for me down there. Yeah. Woo!
Yeah, I'll wait for you down
there. It's 125 guaranteed.
I can feel it.
This is the attic. Woo! If I pass out, you gotta come get me though. Okay, this is the attic, super hot, 100 degrees outside. Does that mean it's insulated? Well, I know there's no insulation because we can see all this. There is the chimney. And guys, I am out of here because heat stroke is real. Shout out to all my survivors of the heat stroke. Okay, then you come down here and everything is fancy again. So Jackie, we will go to the front here.
Yeah.
I will give you this. And I will tell everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want Jackie's information so you can get pre-approved, it'll be in the comments below. But if you want to see another video in Chicago, more tours, click here. If you want to go in the suburbs here, subscribe because I went upstairs in that hot attic here. Just click the picture and we will see you guys in the next video.